Hello witches and wizards, and welcome back to Love Good Bath Potions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing another Accio box unboxing. This one is for June of 2018. I also have my dog Baby here. She's going to be in the background. Also, I don't know if you guys can tell, but I did change up where I shoot now. I used to shoot out in the garage, but it was so unbearably hot. So I had to move my couch and all of my filming stuff into the bedroom, which is so much nicer. Now I have AC, I have a window, I have a plant. It's good. It's great. So let's get started. Got my scissors. Should I take a thumbnail picture before? Where's my wand? Just in case. Oh. Trying to be in the picture too, baby? You trying to be in the thumbnail? Oh. Okay, baby, are you ready to unbox this? Are you ready? Oh, she's so cute. Okay, lay down, baby. Baby, I don't want you near these scissors, girl. Do you want to get down? Oh, okay. Oh, right, okay. Do you want to get down? She does not want to be a part of this anymore. It's always a huge pain to open these things. Ooh, something smells really good in here. I can already smell it. I was right. Okay, so this box is the Wizard Travel box for June of 2018. I don't want to look at this too much because it's going to give too much away, but I do see that there's a candle, and there's also a Night Bus tote bag, which was the sneak peek. Oh, okay, there's a magnet stuck to that. This is another Highland Bluff candle. I had one of these in the Luna box. This one is scented in Ice Cream in the Alley. It's raspberry ice cream and nuts. Has a little screw top. I could smell it as soon as I open the package. Baby, what is it? It smells really good. It smells just like raspberry. This is one of 3 scents. They also had Forbidden Forest and Books to the Ceiling. The one I got was Ice Cream in the Alley. We are pleased as always to be introducing another Highland Bluff studio creation this month. This time a convenient travel-sized candle in one of our 3 possible scents inspired by a famous wizarding place. Books to the Ceiling is reminiscent of everyone's favorite bookstore for acquiring spellbooks. The Forbidden Forest brings to mind tall trees, dark shadows, and an airy mystery. The Ice Cream in the Alleys is a homage to everyone's favorite Sunday shop in the wizarding world. Find more magical scents at highlandbluffstudios.com. I also got a little magnet. This was stuck onto my candle. It's really cute. It's like an acrylic. It says platform 9 3/4 on it. Express ticket acrylic fridge magnet. It might not actually grant you passage to Hogsmeade. We'll work on that for a future box though. But this fun and sturdy little magnet will add a little bit of nerdy flair to your fridge or message board. This is so cute. It's like a makeup bag, I think. I'm guessing this is the one house item that's in my box for this month. So cute. These convenient little pouches will bring a spot of joy to your preparations, and they will make the perfect spot to stash cosmetics, chargers, and other small travel needs. Each 7-inch by 5-inch pouch features the main house color and the traits of each of the Sorting Hat's infamous song. Baby, you need to sit down. I'm trying to do an unboxing. And Josh got home, so now all the dogs are gonna bark.
Are you on video right now?
I'm recording right now. I knew they were gonna do this. I have to wait until they calm down. Let me set the scene back up.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. Next, this is the sneak peek that I saw that Accio posted about. It's a tote bag with the Night Bus on it. This is so cute. The night bus since 1885, emergency transport for the stranded witch or wizard. All destinations, just stick out your wand arm. Nothing underwater. This is going to be so perfect for doing groceries. I love the night bus as well, so this is perfect. Night bus canvas tote bag. This is an Accio box exclusive. Whether you're off on an exotic adventure or just making a quick run to the store, you'll be glad you stuck your wand arm through the straps of this cute and sturdy all-purpose tote. Made from thick 100% cotton canvas, this bag is ready for a heavy load and can easily withstand a bumpy ride. And the last item that I have is this piece of wall art. This is made by Magic Mushroom Paper Company, I think. And it also has a little coupon on the back there if I want to get another one, which I might. They're on Etsy, so I love Etsy. Magical travel poster, one of 3 designs. This one they had either Hogsmeade, the 9 3/4, or the Forbidden Forest. We've been eyeing these gorgeous vintage style travel posters by Magic Mushrooms Paper Company for a while now, and we are so excited to finally be able to feature them. Each subscriber will receive one of these 3 possible designs featuring a famous wizard traveling spot. Didn't get the one that you had your heart set on? Order from mmpapercompany.etsy.com. Let me see if I can get a shot of all the items here. It's so hard to show off all of these. Give me a second. Maybe if I rearrange. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of the Accio box unboxing for June of 2018. I really enjoyed all of these items. I think my favorite one would probably be the tote bag with the night bus on it. I'm definitely gonna use it for groceries, and I think it's so cute. I think all of these items are really high quality, and I'm really excited to know that 2 of them are actually from Etsy sellers. I definitely want to order one of the other prints from the Magical Mushroom Paper Company. If you would like to be able to purchase one of your own Accio boxes, make sure to use my code LOVEGOOD to get 15% off of your first order. If you didn't already know, Accio box is now completely vegan, which is amazing, and they've also been talked about on Ivana Lynch's podcast.
Where's Ivana Lynch?
Luna.
True?
Yes. She's a vegan. Yes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time.